The Lord created human beings out of the earth and turned them back to it again. He granted them authority over the things on the earth.
Sirach 17, verse 1 through 2. The Lord created man of the earth and turned him into it again. He gave them a certain number of days and a short time, and power also over the things therein. Selected frequency, 396 Hz. The liberation frequency. This tone is chosen for its deep connection to the root chakra and its ability to ground the spirit into physical reality. Since the verse discusses our material origin from the earth and the finite nature of our days, 396 Hz helps to remove the fear and guilt associated with mortality, replacing it with the stability and strength needed to exercise sovereign power over the physical realm. Created man of the earth. This identifies our biological baseline. We are inextricably tied to the material world, formed from the same elements as the soil beneath us. Understanding this origin is essential for stewardship. We cannot govern the earth effectively without acknowledging our physical connection to it. Turned him into it again. This describes the divine cycle of return. It serves as a forensic reminder that our physical residency is temporary. By accepting this cycle, we move from the anxiety of the end to the clarity of the mission, recognizing that our vessels are borrowed for a specific, time-bound purpose, a certain number of days. Time is presented here as a calculated resource. There is a precise window of opportunity, a short time, allotted to every individual. This realization is meant to act as a catalyst for action, moving the believer out of stagnation and into a state of focused execution, power over the things therein. Despite the humility of our origin and the brevity of our lives, the Creator has issued a legal grant of authority. We are not meant to be subject to the earth, but to rule over it. This power is the sovereign right to bring order, management, and divine architecture to the things within our jurisdiction during our allotted time. If this frequency resonates, subscribe and share to help others recover the record. Check the pinned comment now for 100% free resources and the link to our Scion Sanctuary Hub app. That's where you'll find the 88-book library, our forensic study circles, and the healing Solfeggio rooms. While you're there, hit the community marketplace to support our members' natural products, or visit the Spiritual Tribunal Resource Center for our official books, metal signs, and empty tomb apparel. Every bit of support fuels our 501c3 mission, and stay tuned for our upcoming 50-50 profit split that will allow our members to share in the harvest. Step into the sanctuary and let's build the kingdom. I'll see you in the Enoch Circle. Shalom.